imparting upon us. So let's just make sure we do our best to understand the change that's coming and band together and lean on one another and realize that we are still in control, right? The computers and the technology are not in control. We are in control, and we can dictate and determine how we are going to create the culture of our organization. And yes, you should absolutely use technology to enable all of that. I would add, you've got to stay updated on the technology. And very, I have a strong presence on LinkedIn, but I will be the first to admit I am not a social media proliferator. I probably spend a maximum of an hour a week across all of my social media platforms. It's just not who I am, but I understand the importance of it. So I use it.